It's very clear to all Nigerians that Tinubu has no solution in Nigeria problem. Come here, wetin dey happen o. They say that Tinubu own Nigeria nothing. Anybody who is expecting anything from Tinubu is wasting his time o. After all, Nigeria did not vote for Tinubu. Come hear this one. My people, things are really happening. Seriously. Let me show you this video that you need to watch and see what is going on. As people wey dey for street, many people they call Tinubu, say make him resign, and some say that he own Nigeria, no apology, that he is not going to change anything because of the reason that nobody vote for Tinubu. And they said that some Yoruba women, thousands of Yoruba women in Libya are calling on the federal government to rescue them, because as it be like this, they say hunger won't buy them for inside that place. However, we go bring the video. Please, we have new page on Facebook, Balabas Vlog. Please try to follow Balabas Gist Vlog. Please try to follow that page. Very, very important, so that you could get our information and know what thing they go on. Information I be the key. Make sure say you follow the page. As we dey post, they get them. If you can turn your notification bell on all our social media handles, try to do so as well. Okay, my people, I'm going to show you this video. May you see the kind of anger where people waiting for inside street get for Tinubu as it be like this. Listen.
Tinubu is deadly more than Buhari. Tinubu will kill you, no case. Which court are you taking him to? You have no court to take him. So,
they say that last time we protested, things can't go higher.
Now, if you protest again, we'll get to 5,000.
So they should not protest.
They should protest, let's see. See,
I'm enjoying Tinubu administration, sir.
My brother, I'm enjoying Nigerians there. If you follow them with soft hand, they will refund you. When good luck Jonathan is ruling, they say that good luck is human. Now man is ruling us. So everybody should compare himself. His causes our problem. Let them not disturb that man, because if you feel that you are Aburo, Tinubu is Aburo before you. Everything that you feel that you are today, Tinubu is there before you. So
if you say you are top,
he's there before you.
If you say you are a drug man,
he's there before you.
So Tinubu is a father of
the country.
Of the Kaaba.
Okay. So you do him nothing.
Father of the militants.
Well, I'm not even saying about the militant. I'm telling you the reality. Nigerians are.
If you say you're a militant, you say you are there before you. Anything where you want.
Anything you want is there before you.
So what do you they enjoy since Tinubu because?
Let me not tell you. My problem is that they should stop commenting in Facebook. Tinubu this do. All you need to do is to be, hailing him. Baba,
well done, Baba,
well done. He will reason about Nigeria. But why you coming to say Tinubu is not owing any Nigerian citizen. It's you that is owing him, because nobody voted him. One man come out and he told you that I will sit on that seat, and he sit down on that seat. Who are you?
Say it's
Tinubu. We don't own. If make everything, everywhere is supposed to be where don't go to university college.
You finish university? Which university you finish? Are you for real? You finish for USTA? What do you study for school? Business admin.
Yeah.
But you are doing business in the market now.
This kind of business supposed to. You know now.
My dear, I told you I can't even my students' school fees now. I don't even know how I'm about to do it. As it's like this now, I even tell them to drop down so that I can recover myself. At this country, I'm tired of this country. Please.
No way.
No way. We are not going anywhere.
You want Japa?
I say, may they share this country, may we rest. May Biafra go. May we then go. May do go. I think they share this country now into 3 places. Biafra, Oduduwa with Arewa. This country will be a one citizen.
Or is he not seeing how the country is turning around and everything is so bad now? The fuel hardship. Because this is fuel hardship. And the way I'm seeing yesterday in television, it's like he has put a fixed price, 1,250 on price. Fleet station never sell, fuel price. Fleet station never sell their own price, 1,250. You know good now. You know good. It's getting worse. It's not.
I want to complain my issue for.
Yeah.
This is the country we don't suffer well for this country. I don't know what Tinubu is doing, causing an havoc in this country. Look at the fuel now, 1,000 something. Fuel that's supposed to be almost 100 and something naira. But the fuel now is almost 1,000 something. Please follow Nigerians. Make an help Moko know how to talk to this young man.
So
This
reduce fuel.
most importantly, is to reduce fuel in this country.
Things hard for Nigeria now.
Things are very, very hard for Nigeria. The masses are complaining and crying very bitterly.
You they cry?
I'm so much crying more than other person. So what I want to tell Mr. President, I say I'm waiting, Jagaban, I've been waiting. Let him bring the fuel price down.
Things tough.
Yes, and if you look very well, there is no vehicle again that is running on this road.
This one a vehicle now.
There's no car again.
Car, this is cars.
Yes, which cars?
See cars now.
Do you know the kind of car I move every day? But
Everything
now,
reduced.
the cars have reduced. So people are crying. We should think about how to treat the masses very well, so they will not be crying again. That is my complaint.
All right, my man.
My brother, the type of government we have now, there's no hope for the masses. The type of government we have now, there's no hope for the masses.
What message do you have for Tinubu now?
My message, I don't even think my message will get to Tinubu. What Tinubu has to do right now is to resign from that office. That would be the best for him.
To resign.
Resign as president. And tell Nigerians, please, pardon me. I don't know how to pilot the...
Nigeria is like a semi-hell to us.
Nigeria is like a
Hellfire to us.
What do you mean when you say hellfire, sir?
Hellfire that where somebody cannot have any freedom to do anything. Where people are suffering, where people cannot benefit, there are people where somebody is sick, he cannot get himself in a hospital to have a treatment. This is semi-hell. It's not a compliment to us in the body.
To do something, Nigerians are suffering. We are suffering. Let him do something. Let us not rely on promises that will never come, just like the previous government. Let him do something and make sure that Nigerians who had trust, that renewed hope, the renewed hope he promised us, let him do something so that we'll see that renewed hope in action, not by words, not by promises and promises that will never come to pass.
Tinubu has failed Nigeria now.
He has not failed. He's barely 1 year in office. It's just like a baby that is born, and maybe after 2 months he says the baby should start running. It will never happen. It's not a magic.
Nigeria economy right now.
This economy, you continue to ask me every time economy. The economy, I said, the previous government, they did it. They looted the fund. They looted the treasury of Nigeria for 8 years. Buhari did not know that he's the president of Nigeria. So let us give him a chance.
Was, a disaster to Nigeria.
See, in short, I pray we never had that kind of administration again.
To Nigeria.
Let's give Tinubu a chance. He will do well. Things will come back normal.
He's trying to revive.
He's trying to do that when Nigerians are crying of hunger.
No, see, before you fix a thing,
Yeah.
it will take. There are procedures before you fix.
After 1 year, sir.
It's still fresh.
What is his minister doing? Why did he minister for 6 months?
4 years tenure.
Yeah.
This is 1 year and it's still fresh. It's still fresh.
At least he will have taken a cue from his predecessor that this is how the thing was. But right now it seems we are in a worse situation.
No.
Things are so contrary to what you are telling Nigerians now. An average Nigerian is really crying.
Yeah, Tinubu policies are different from Buhari's policies. You understand? Tinubu have a good idea, have a good idea for Nigerians. Just let's just give him time. Let's have patience.
What he has implemented. Go ahead. You said they are disturbing Tinubu out.
Yes, how they are disturbing Tinubu is that the Nigerians today, Tinubu is not our problem.
Okay.
I can say it and I can prove it.
Okay.
Tinubu is not our problem. Our problem is Nigerians. We are our problem. If the organization is good, the president will concur with us. When Tinubu is still telling it tomorrow that nobody voted him, then Nigeria continue to disturbing the young man's life. But when they are disturbing the young man's life, it will affect the least privileged ones. It's affecting the
How is Nigeria disturbing the young man?
they will come in what do they call it?
Protest.
They will protest. I'm even urging to jail them 25 years for them protesting. Is there any of them that put him there? No of them put him there.
So what
What you need to do is let us, not the way we talk to him. He's a normal human being. He will reason with us.
He will reason with us.
Yes, the president. Nobody, you go to Bluetooth, you come out, you go to Facebook, you come out. Tinubu is this. The last time that Tinubu tested Nigeria.
You don't hear am. Nigeria make una no protest. So he say if they protest, that fuel may reach 5,000 naira under this Tinubu administration. Things are really happening. My people, let me bring you this video for you to see. The people in the Libya, the Yoruba girls in Libya, that's calling for the federal government to come and help them. Do you know what is happening now as we're speaking? A lot of Nigerians are passing Libya again. This one now is bigger than the number of the people that has passed previous years. Even people who don't buy join for the matter. Currently, millions of Nigeria are leaving. Youth, mothers, fathers are leaving. Just watch the video.
And our president is collecting 1,300, 1,500 from us, and he's doing nothing. Please, we need your help. Our help, we are going to bust this place because all other nationalities are running away. But we Nigerians, we stay calm because we want to defend our country. We want to protect our name. We want to protect our country, Nigeria.
Yes.
So now, if you are not taking any steps, we are going to take a step forward. We are going to get back. We are begging you guys now to please talk to Mary. Our house, look at this baby. Look at the food. Look at the food now. We from President to here.
When we see all these things that is happening, we have no hope. There's no hope at all. So I've sent this in here. I don't know how many times. Of course, they will not listen because the money is there again. So they are not going to listen. But however, instead of because I'm seeing this to a point, because there's some certain people in that Nigeria that when they get angry, they want to make a change. Because now they are keeping quiet. That's why you are seeing blow fire here. That is, everything is looking somehow calm. And that is why they are doing anything. Anybody who talk from that particular tribe, which is the Igbo, they would like to shut them up. Because they know that if they come outside the mass and say, hey, enough is enough, things will begin to happen. That's why they are planning all these tribal heads against them. So that when they will make this move, you will see people coming out, hey, see them, they want to destroy Nigeria, they want to do this one, they want to do the other one. But however, Tinubu, please go and help your sisters, your daughters, your relative in the Libya, is what the government have caused. It's a year and remember they said a year and exactly when you took these people say no, the japa. Even some people say if Tinubu win, they will leave the country, and they did. This is them. This is where they end up. So this country is finished. It's gone. It's finished. It's finished. If you know apply your plan B, please apply it. That is the only way out. Or if they talk divide, they no go agree. If you talk regional government, they no go agree because they know what they are gaining. So the Yoruba, people should be ashamed of yourself. Yes, I'm saying it. Not all Yorubas, especially these people that is along the road. People should be very ashamed of yourself. Because if you people have stood for the betterment of Nigeria, we will not be where we are today. It's because of always applied tribalism in this whole thing. Let me tell you, no matter what, I know that Igbos do not fully support Obi. But if Obi was there as a president of Nigeria, things will not be this bad. I'm telling you the truth. Things will not be this bad. Because Obi truly mean well for Nigeria. Obi want to prove to him people that he can be a president and change Nigeria. That is what Obi want to do. But unfortunately, that thing that the people, the IPOP are proving to Obi that no matter who you are, you from Southeast, you cannot do anything good for Nigeria. You can't be there. They will not give you the opportunity. And now Obi have seen it in his own eyes. 2027, Igbo man will not be there. I am Igbo man and I'm saying it. They will never give you that position. They will never give you that opportunity. But the reality is that we are going to be facing what we are facing today, because the only people that can change the whole situation is the Igbos. Because they are not giving you the opportunity, Nigeria will be going down. And nobody will do about it. Please share this video. Don't forget to follow our new page. Thank you very much.